Welcome to MyChart, a great tool to help you stay connected with your neighborhood health center care team. Expecting test results from your NHC care team? With MyChart, you can review test results as soon as they become available without having to wait for a phone call or a letter from your provider. Let's get started. When lab test results are ready on MyChart, you will receive an email. Log into your account and you will find a notification on the home feed. Click View Message or click the Test Results shortcut in the top navigation bar. Here, you can select the test result you'd like to view from the list. Any final test results will be available immediately in your MyChart account. That means that you may see results before your healthcare provider has reviewed them. On a desktop computer, you'll see your results and how they compare to standard ranges. If any of your results are outside of the standard range, you will see an A under the flag column. If your provider has made a comment, it will be displayed directly above your results. On a mobile device, your result will display on a colored scale. Green indicates the results are within normal range. If the result is within a yellow area, please consult with your provider. Once your NHC provider reviews your results, you will receive a notification to log in and view their comments. If you have questions, you can send a non-urgent medical message to your clinic. Please allow 2 business days for a response. For urgent questions, please call your clinic directly. MyChart is a great tool to help you stay connected with your neighborhood health center care team. Visit nhcoregon.org to learn more.